Hello everyone! Today I want to show you one more review of a finished item. I showed you how to make this tunic dress very long time ago. I remind you that this tunic dress was made without a pattern and there are just two seams in it. I think that this tunic dress is perfect for a vacation. Let's have a look at it. I attached two small belts here. I can either let them hang loose on the back or tie them. In this case, the dress will look more close-fitting. This is how it looks like without them. And this is how it looks like when I tie them. Have a look at the sleeves. They're perfect for those who want to hide some parts of their bodies. I made the facing and sleeves of different fabric. I think that it makes the dress look even more interesting. You don't necessarily have to make such a knee-style sleeves. I showed you two types of tunic dresses with two different types of sleeves. I love these ones. Have a look at the bottom. I made the same facing on it too. Very beautiful. Have a look at the back. This is how my tunic dress looks like. I think that this is the perfect item for a vacation. It's light and comfortable. I decided to show you this dress because the summer is coming. Guys, we always need to be different and beautiful. Going on a vacation doesn't mean that you don't have to look good. I've already showed you a lot of different summer clothes: skirts, dresses, tops, two tunic dresses. You don't even need a pattern to make such tunic dress. Watch the tutorial if you haven't done it yet. There are just two seams in this item. Of course, you also need to make facings, but it's not hard to do it. I'm glad that I've decided to show you this tunic dress. This is a very good summer item. It makes me really happy to read your comments. I'm glad that you find my tutorials useful. Some of you have already sent me the photos of the items they made. They look amazing. My name is Paukshte Irina. Guys, please subscribe to my channel, write comments, share videos, and press the like and the bell buttons. I really need your support. Thank you. Goodbye.